guitar version of Boom Boom by John Lee Hooker. You're going to get hooked on this because it's so fun. Here's what we call the call. He goes like this. Okay, read that tab. All right, third string, second fret. Slide from 2 to 4. First finger, second string, third fret. Now slide backwards 4 to 2, kind of fast. Open third. And on your fourth string, go 2, 0, 2. Okay, that's our call. Now the band goes like this. All right, play your open 6, third fret of 6, open 5, open 6. Okay, so our call all together is this. Okay, advanced guitarist, let me talk to you for a second. Instead of doing those single notes, go like this. E, G, A, E, E, G, A, E. Okay, everybody else, just do the easy part. All right, now we need the response to the call. It sounds like this. Okay, fourth string, second fret, open third, third string, slide your middle finger 3 to 2, open 3, fourth string again, 2, 0, 2. Okay, so we have this. I'll do it again. Okay, do the same thing as we did before. All right, so let's put that together. That's our first phrase. So we've got this. All right, that's pretty much the tune, but now we just need a couple of little extra bells and whistles here. Okay, let's do our call. Now, this time hit your open 5th string, 3rd fret, open 4, open 5. Okay, and now let's do our response. Go back to the original, open 6, 3rd fret, open 5, and 6. Okay, advanced players, if you want in that section, go like this. A, C, D, A. Okay, I'll put that on the screen for the advanced players. Okay, this is what we've got so far. Last part of this tune is this. Let's do our call. Okay, do this here. 5th string, 2nd fret, open 4, 2nd fret of 4, and then hit your open 5. Okay, that's the one's a little different. So it goes bum, 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 bum. Okay, advanced players, it's kind of weird, but go like this. B7, D, E, A. Okay, so bum, 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 bum. If you want to throw that in there, you can. Let's do our response. Back to our original open 6. Okay, so that whole section sounds like this. Let's put it all together now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.